I never experienced this issue before, but in the past few days, I'm getting this error with the core and 360 lens. It's giving me this error message that the core is having a hard time communicating with the 360 lens, so I need to restart. So this happened 3 days ago, and lately it happens a lot, especially when it's mounted to my maxi scooter. I think the issue is when it feels the vibration of the maxi scooter. That's when the error comes out. So for example, in this video I will show you the error and how it happened. And this is the error message that it gives me when it's mounted on my maxi scooter. As you can see, it's implying that the core is having a hard time working with the 360 lens, so I have to restart. Problem is when I'm riding my maxi scooter, I can't record videos properly with this issue, especially when it feels the vibration. That's when the error comes out. So I feel like it's this connection that's giving the problems because it's not that sturdy and firm. Now my problem is that before it's not giving me the error message. So I don't know if it's this mounting problem that's causing it, or maybe it's the core itself or the 360 lens. So right now I don't know the issue or the problem, but what I notice is that when I connect my other battery, this one, and connect my Insta360 with the cage, the connection is more sturdier or firm. It doesn't give me the error when it's mounted on my maxi scooter. So I don't know what's with the vibration. When it feels the vibration, it gives that error message. So I just want to ask, maybe what do you think is the problem? Because right now when I'm using this battery, how it's mounted on my maxi scooter, it gives this error message. So if you have an idea or a feedback, maybe you can comment down below. Thank you.